This is Jonathan with Nomadic Cooling, HQ3, Glendale, Arizona, Nomadic Cooling. If you want to go further in comfort with a robust design, Bluetooth app, dual zone, integrated cooling, portable device, do it with one from over here at Nomadic Cooling. CFX 25, 35, 45, 55, no 65. Now we've taken the big jump up to the 75DZ. The ultimate power cooler produces impressive cooling / freezing, allowing you to bring more of the food and drinks you love wherever you go. The CFX3's robust design and exo-frame construction is built for tough outdoor use. Enjoy efficient cooling and freezing with conveniences thanks to a mobile app, which puts the control of your Dometic CFX3 75DZ at your fingertips. Go further, stay longer, and experience more. It has rugged construction. Fender frame protects the unit from damage. It has a convenient app that allows temperature control and performance monitoring during, check this out, Kenny, the CFX3 app. According to Dometic, Kenny, it's easy to carry. Strong aluminum alloy carry handles. It's a DZ. It has dual zone cooling. Dual zone compartments with independent temperature control. Independent's the big word here, Kenny. They're not the same, they're independent. User-friendly interface. Weatherproof, high resolution user interface displays the operating status. It has flexible power options. Powered by AC 110, 240, DC 12, 24 volts, and DC solar panel, Kenny. Let's do the unboxing of this beautiful DZ dual zone portable refrigerator by Dometic. Let's do it. Ready? Let's go. All right, I'm back. We have unboxed the Dometic CFX3 75 DZ. Zone 1, okay. 2. Let's go over the measurements. 33 inches, 19 inches, 20 inches. It has convenient DC input and AC input right here. DC, AC. How does that work, you may ask? Well, Kenny, I'm glad you asked. I'm gonna go ahead and take my AC. This is plugged into the wall, okay? I'm gonna conveniently plug it in right into the back right there. We have this electric table that just spins things around. It's pretty amazing. We moved it up top here, Kenny. Look at this, okay? Well, we also have a USB port here. You want to charge your cellular devices right there. That's pretty dope. I'm going to push the power on button. Ooh, now we have 2 zones here. All right, okay, so we're going to go select temp, okay. We're going to go, okay, you pick your side. And then let's see how low she goes, Kenny. We're at 30 Fahrenheit, and let's see where this thing goes. -6, -7, okay, so that stops at -8. Then I'm going to press the enter button. Okay, so that means zone number 1 is set as a freezer. Now let's go over this. We're going to select zone number 2 right there, and right now it's at 39, but I sort of like my drinks a little cooler than that, Kenny. Okay, so I'm going to drop that. Let's go back over to it. I'm going to hit the OK button, and I'm going to drop that to 33 Fahrenheit right there. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so I have one set as a freezer currently, and I have one set as a cooler currently, okay? Freezer, cooler. Now you can switch it back and forth. The kids in the street say that means you can go both ways, Kenny. You can switch it back and forth, okay? What do we have in here? We've got one big tray. Okay, it does have a separator inside. Okay, so you can separate that tray. You got 2 lights in this one because, as you know, you've gone dual zone. Okay, you have your full bag of AC and DC apparatuses here, plus an installation manual and instructions. You won't need that because I'm doing such a fantastic job. Okay, and then over here, Kenny, you actually have one bucket here, and then deep down here, you actually have a second. So you've got even more stuff that you can put deep down into the crevasses of these things. So you've got 1 section and 2 sections. As I've said, Kenny, in the street, they call this the dual zone. Let's see exactly how much stuff we can get in a box. all the stuff that we have inside here in our dual zone. Guys, we did the 25, the 35, the 45, the 55. Now we're doing the 75 liter dual zone by Dometic. This is all the stuff that goes in here, and probably if we paid a little bit more attention, we probably could have got more stuff in here. Got to be quite honest with you, a lot of room. You've got zone 1, zone 2, freezer, freezer, fridge, freezer, fridge, freezer, 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 fridge, fridge. These are some of the combinations that you could do. Some would say, Kenny, trillions of combinations that you could do with this dual zone, okay? Temperature up, temperature down, okay? 12 volt, AC, DC. These are some of the options that you have if you go with a Dometic CFX3 portable cooling apparatus. Here's the important thing, people. If you have a Winnebago Revel, a Storyteller, a Class B, even a Class A maybe, or a Class C, and you need more room for your ice cream, this is probably the device that you're gonna need. Ice cream moving device. If you want to go further in comfort with a Dometic CFX3 portable refrigeration device, do me a favor, give Nomadic Cooling a call, and we will happily send you one of these in the mail tomorrow, because they are in stock and ready to rock.